Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampore. I'm Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session, guys. What we have planned for you based on Quadilaterals Part 2. Based on Quadilaterals Part 2. Okay, so good afternoon, or we can say, yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. You all are highly welcomed over the platform. You all are highly welcomed over the platform. Okay, hello Ram. How are you? Okay, once you join, guys, please do not forget to share the session with your friends as well, so that they can also join in. Okay. So we are going to do the quadrilaterals part 2, guys. We are going to do the quadrilaterals part 2, where we have left yesterday. We will continue from there. Where we have left yesterday, we will continue from there. Okay. So as far as I remember, this is where we have left. This is being done by us. That was a marvelous question. Hello Harika, hello Shrivani, hello Jivita. That was a marvelous question. I think today we need to begin from here. Today we need to begin from here. I'm good. I'm good, Ram. Yeah. Okay, great. All the very best. Chak de patte. Yeah. ABCD is a rhombus. AC is the smallest diagonal. ABC is known. Oh, I think this is what we might have done a question like this previously. Okay, homework done. So I would be discussing them fast. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. AC is the smallest diagonal. So draw the figure again. Draw the figure again so that AC will become the smallest diagonal. Be very, very cautious about the things. Be very, very cautious about the things, guys, whatever is being said. Okay, yeah, then I would be discussing it too fast, bacha. Angle ABC is known as 60. If this is 60, these two sides are equal. So these two angles are also 60. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. AC is 6. Then this is also 6. This is also 6. What they are asking? The length of side of rhombus, which is 6 centimeter. Which is 6 centimeter. Okay. Cool. Second question of the day. Keep on sharing as well, guys. Keep on sharing as well. In the given figure, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. What is the measure of angle PQR? What is the measure of angle PQR if PQ is parallel to SR? Okay. So here two properties might get used. One is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. Which says sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. Okay. In any cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite angles is 180 degree. And another is the property of parallel lines. Guys. What does parallel line says? Parallel line says if two lines are parallel, then these adjacent angles sum, this adjacent angle sum is equal to 180 degree. Cool. Then these adjacent angle sum is equal to 180 degree. Let's see, guys, what should be used. PQ is parallel to SR. If this is 110, this is 70. By the property of parallel lines. They are asking PQR. because of a cyclic quadrilateral, because of a cyclic quadrilateral, because of a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposites should be, sum of opposites should be 180. That is why 110. Good learning question, isn't it? Good learning question, guys, isn't it? Both are used. Both are used. Yes. Both properties I have write down simultaneously. Both properties I have write down simultaneously. For the beginners, guys, for the beginners, that was a must do. Now the comment section, the position of the comment screen has changed. I think it's for the betterment of your experience as well as mine experience. Yeah, it's for the betterment of yours as well as mine experience. Have you identified this point or not? A, B, C, D, P, Q. ABCD is the rectangle. ABCD is the rectangle. P is a point on DC such that BC is given as 24. BC is given as 24. DP is given as 10. DP is given as 10. CD is given as 15. CD is complete, 15. So this is 5. Okay. AP is produced to meet intersect BC at Q. What is the length of AQ? What is the length of AQ? Chalo. How many of you have done it? How many of you have done it, guys? Well done, Harika. Anyone else? Anyone else, bacha? In rectangle, opposite sides are equal, 24. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Vertically opposite angle, 90 degree, 90 degree. If two angles are equal, third is automatically equal. Third is automatically equal. Third is automatically equal. Can I say these two triangles are similar? Can I say these two triangles are similar? Side in front to the second angle is 10 and side in front to the second angle is 5. Can I say that their corresponding sides is in the ratio? Their corresponding sides is in the ratio 2:1. Corresponding sides is in the ratio 2:1. So, if this is 24, this is going to be 12 to maintain 2:1. Question is over. Question is over. Clear to all? If this is half of this, then this side is also the corresponding side for the third angle. This also going to be half of that. That is, if this is 24, this is 12. So if I closely look, and this side is already given as 15. This side is already given as 15. So if I closely look, this is 15 and BQ is 36. Then what is AQ? What is AQ? 5, 12, 13 triplet. 5, 12, 13 triplet. Because 5, 12, 13 triplet, if I multiply by 3, it will become 15, 36, 39 triplet. It will become 5, 36, 39 triplet. So if two sides of a right angle triangle are 15 and 36, the biggest side is 39. Any doubt to anyone? Come on, ask me. Otherwise, say yes, sir, clear. Any doubt to anyone, guys? Do ask me. If not, then please do write yes, sir, clear. Clear. Very good. Very good, Harika and Ram. Let's move on. You are joining the midpoints of a side of a rectangle. You are joining the midpoints of the side of another quadrilateral. You are joining the midpoints of the side of a rectangle ABCD. With the help of that, you are forming a quadrilateral PQRS. You have to find out the nature of this quadrilateral. You have to find its nature as well. Like this quadrilateral is what? This quadrilateral is what? And then you have to find out the area of new quadrilateral as well. Then you have to find out the area of new quadrilateral as well. On joining the midpoints, on joining the midpoint of the side of a rectangle, what is the nature of the quadrilateral, guys? What is the nature of the quadrilateral? The nature of the quadrilateral means either it is a square, rectangle, rhombus, or what? Either it is a square, or it is rhombus, or it is rectangle, what? What, bacha? The first question is this. Come on, give me the answers, guys. It's a square, okay? Ram is giving the answer as a square. Very, 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 very. Let's see what complete the sentence. It's rectangle, Kashi, okay. Jivita is saying it's rhombus, okay. So I'm very happy to say that there is something very important to learn over here. Okay, Harika is giving parallelogram. There is very important, or maybe the concept of the day is coming in this question. Maybe the concept of the day is coming in this question. Okay. Yeah, it's a rhombus. Jivita, believe on yourself. Jivita, believe on yourself, bacha. Believe on yourself. You were correct. You were correct. Let me prove how it is. Let me prove how it is. Let's suppose it is length, or I am assuming it 2L. 2 length. So this is L, this is L. This is 90. I am assuming it 2B. So this is B, this is B. Side is under root of L square plus B square. Everywhere. Everywhere. So all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Either square or rhombus. Either square or rhombus. Either square or rhombus. Yeah. For a square, For a square, diagonals are equal. For a rhombus, diagonals are not equal. For a square, diagonals are, oh, very well done, but Ram, you identified it. Diagonals are equal, and for a rhombus, they are different. For a rhombus, they are different. Here, this diagonal is equal to 2L, the length of the rectangle, and this diagonal is equal to 2B, the length of the breadth of the rectangle. So diagonals are different. Yeah, diagonals are different. So it's a rhombus. It's a rhombus. Yeah. It's a rhombus. Cool. Cool, guys. And how to find the area of a rhombus? How to find the area of rhombus, guys? The area of rhombus is half d1 d2. Area of rhombus is half d1 d2. One of the diagonal is the length of rectangle, another diagonal is the breadth of rectangle. One of the diagonal is the length of rectangle, another is the breadth of rectangle. So length of rectangle is, okay, I think they are given, na? They are given. P, Q, R, S. So PS. Oh, they have given something else. They have given the side, bacha. They have given the side, PS 26. And they have given PR. Where is PR? This complete side, 20. So 10 each. So this is going to be 24. 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Yeah. So SQ is 48. So SQ is 48. And one of them is already given 20. I will take it once more if required. I will take it once more on the next page if required. I will take it once more, guys, if required. Yeah, because I've taken two questions over here. First question was proofing that it's a rhombus. First question was to get proof that it's a rhombus. And second question was to find out the area of the rhombus. And second question was to find out the area of rhombus. Let me show you on the note as well. Once it was clear that it was a rhombus, this is given as 26. And this is given as 10. 10. Or 20. So 10 each. So this is 24 each. So one diagonal PR is equal to 20. Another diagonal SQ is equal to 48. So area is half D1 D2. Area is half D1 D2. Half into 20 into 48. Now clear? Now clear? Now clear, guys? Write down few important points about rhombus. Write down few important points about rhombus. Write down few important points about rhombus. Yeah. For a rhombus, all sides are equal. For a rhombus, all sides are equal and only opposite angles are equal. And only opposite angles are equal. And only opposite angles are equal. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. This is the point which is maximum used in all the questions. This is the point which is maximum used in all the questions. The point which is maximum used in solving the questions is that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. That diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. Okay. So with the help of Pythagoras, we solve the rhombus problems. No, diagonals are not angle bisectors. No. No, Harika. Diagonals are just a minute. Yeah, diagonals are angle bisectors. Sure. It's an equal side. Yeah, diagonals are angle bisectors. That is I told you. That is I told you in the previous class as well. That is I told you in the previous class as well that in rhombus diagonals are the angle bisectors as well. Guys, what is deciding whether it is going to be an angle bisector or not? What is the deciding factor that whether it is going to be an angle bisector or not? What is the deciding factor? The deciding factor are the sides. You observe that angle bisectors were only in case of square and rhombus. Angle bisector, diagonals were angle bisector. Diagonals were angle bisectors only in case of square and rhombus because they are of equal sides. Diagonals are angle bisector. This is getting proved from where? It is only in case of square and rhombus. Yeah. Because in all the four figures, in all the two figures, rhombus and square sides are equal. All triangles formed in, yeah, obviously that's these all are four right angle triangles. Yeah, these all are four right angle triangles. These all are four right angle triangles. Okay. If I take this is as diagonal 1 divided by 2, this is diagonal 1 divided by 2, this is diagonal 2 divided by 2, and this is diagonal 2 divided by 2. Then area of a single right angle triangle is half. Area of a single right angle triangle is half d1 by 2 into d2 by 2, which is d1 d2 by 8. But since there are four triangles, since there are four such triangles, so you will have to multiply by 4 as well, and now you have got your area of rhombus. Now you have got your area of rhombus. The proof of area of rhombus. The proof of area of rhombus. Because there are four such right angle triangles, so you multiplied it by 4 and you got it. You got it half d1 d2. The proof of area of rhombus. The proof of area of rhombus. Yeah. d1 by 2. Half of diagonals d1 by 2, d2 by 2, and d2 by 2. The proof of area of rhombus. Clear? Clear, guys? Why multiplying by 4? Because there are four right angle triangles. Why multiplying by 4? Because there are 4 right angle triangles. Let's move on. Oh, there are few more. Oh my god. Oh my god. ABCD is a square. Draw a equilateral. Now be fast. Now be fast. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Draw a equilateral triangle PBC on BC. Draw a equilateral triangle PBC on BC. Very, 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 very good. And an equilateral triangle QAC on the diagonal. And an equilateral triangle QAC on the diagonal. Diagonal is A root 2. QAC is another equilateral triangle of side A root 2. What is the area of PBC? Area of PBC is root 3 by 4 A square. And what is the area of QAC? It's root 3 by 4 A root 2 ka whole square. A square by 2A square 1:2. Very, very fast. Okay, I think it would be audible now. Okay, back again. Back again. Come on, do it. OABC is a quadrilateral. OABC is a quadrilateral where O is the center of the circle. Where O is the center of circle. OABC is a quadrilateral. Okay, I have to maintain it a quadrilateral, so I am drawing it on the same side. I am drawing it on the same side because I have to draw the quadrilateral as well. I am drawing it on the same side because I have to maintain the quadrilateral as well. Okay. Angle ABC is 120. Cool. What is the ratio of the measure of AOC to OAC? Where is OAC? This is. Okay. I think this is a question of circle. This is a question of circle. This is a question of circles. Okay. Should we discuss it now only, guys? Should we discuss it now only? For solving this, I need to do a bit of construction. ABCD. I have completed a cyclic quadrilateral. I've completed a cyclic quadrilateral by doing this construction. I've completed a cyclic quadrilateral by doing this construction. If this is 120, this is 60 by the property of cyclic quadrilateral. By the property of cyclic quadrilateral, this is 60. Now, if the arc has subtended, if the arc has subtended 60 at the circumference, it will subtend 120 degree at the center. It will subtend 120 degree at the center. Now, this is radius, this is radius. After 120, only 60 angle is remaining. After 120, only 60 angle is remaining. Divide into two equal parts, 30 each. Divide into two equal parts, 30 each. After 120, Jeevita, some of the students can share the link of my Telegram channel. Help me out, help Jeevita out, okay? Or you can share my number as well, guys. Yeah, 120, 30, 30. So you will say, sir, angle AOC is 120 or angle OAC is 30, which is in the ratio, 4 ratio. Which is in the ratio 4 ratio. Clear to all, guys. However, I have not taught you circles, but still, what are the properties I told you? You might have understand them. Whatever are the properties I have told you, you might have understand them. Okay, so let's move on. This is the, as you know, guys, we at Exampur have done a lot of changes in our applications. We have upgraded, guys, multiple fold times. We have upgraded our app. Session is not over. Yeah, session is not over. We have upgraded our app to the multiple fold times. Have offered high offerings, guys, about paid live courses, topic wise free quizzes, job alerts, free quizzes, free exam, previous year exam PDFs with solutions, all India free scholarship test, topic wise free live classes, full length free tests, free exam wise PDF and practice sets. Only the structured paid course is paid. Otherwise, because it's a dedicated effort. Otherwise, most of the things are free. Only the dedicated effort is paid. Otherwise, all things. This is the way to download it. Yeah. ABCD is a trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. This. Okay, now the trapezium has begun. Now the trapezium has begun. How to draw a trapezium like this? In trapezium, one side of two sides are parallel to each other and two are non-parallel. In trapezium, two sides are parallel to each other and two are non-parallel. So AB is parallel to DC and AB is twice of CD as well. So if CD is 1, AB is 2. If CD is 1, then AB is 2. If the diagonals meet at point P, what is area of APB to CPD? What is area of APB to CPD? Guys, these triangles are similar. Vertically opposite angle, alternate interior angle, because these two lines are parallel. So the triangles formed are similar. Okay. In similar triangles, if the side is in the ratio 1:2, right? in similar triangles, if side is in the ratio, A ratio B, then area is going to be in the ratio A square ratio B square. Then area is going to be in the ratio A square ratio B square. So here the side is 1, so area is 1 chi square, that is 1. And here the side is 2, so area is 2 chi square, that is 4. So APB area is 4 and CPD area is 1 D. Ram, I think you have changed the order, maybe. You have changed the order, Ram. Rest all are correct. Rest all are correct. Yeah, rest all are correct. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on. We will do 7 to 8 questions on trapezium, then we will finally conclude it. Yeah. In a trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. Don't fill the sides in the beginning. Don't fill the sides in the beginning. Just wait for a minute. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, AB and CD are parallel sides. AB and CD are parallel sides and angle B is big. And angle B is big. So, I'm beginning like this. A, B, C, D. Because angle B is big. There is the importance of drawing the diagram over here as well. I have to maintain AB parallel to CD. I maintained AB parallel to CD and I maintained angle B as 120 as well. AD is equal to BC is 8. AD is non-parallel sides are equal. Bacha, non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. Property of parallel lines. Property of parallel lines. If two lines are parallel, then the sum of these two angle is 180 degree. If two lines are parallel, then sum of these two angles is 180 degree. The distance between the two parallel lines is, draw a perpendicular. Draw a perpendicular. This is the distance between the two parallel lines. This perpendicular is the distance between the two parallel lines. This drawn perpendicular is the distance between the two parallel lines. As this is a right angle triangle with one of the angle as 60, from the class of height and distance, we know they will maintain a ratio of root 3, 1 and 2. From the class of height and distance, we know that they will maintain a ratio of root 3, ratio 1, ratio 2. Root 3, ratio 1, ratio 2. So 2 is given as 8, so 1 is equal to 4. So height is root 3. So height is root 3. If 1 is equal to 4, then root 3 is equal to root 3 into 4. That is 4 root 3. Do watch out. Any issues, do let me know. Do watch out. Any issues, guys, do let me know. Any issues whatsoever. Any issues whatsoever, guys, do let me know. Clear to all? Clear to all? Clear to all, guys? Let's move on. In a trapezium PQRS, in a trapezium PQRS, P cube is parallel to RS and PQ is 5 times of RS. And PQ is 5 times of RS, bacha. PQ is 5 times of RS. So if RS is 1, PQ is 5. If RS is 1, PQ is 5. Again, these triangles will be similar triangles. These triangles would be similar triangles. So their area is going to be in the proportion of their squares. Their area is going to be in the proportion of their corresponding sides square. 1 ka square is 1. 1 ka square is 1. And 5 ka square is 25. So area of PQX is 25. And area of RX is 1. 25 ratio 1 is the answer. 25 ratio 1 is the answer. 25 ratio 1 is the answer. Next. ABCD is a trapezium such that AB is equal to CD. ABCD is a trapezium such that AB is equal to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Wow. Now it is given that AD is parallel to BC. So draw the diagram in a conscious manner. Draw the diagram in a conscious manner. AD is parallel to BC. So I think A, B, C, D. Is it a conscious effort now? Is it a conscious effort that AD is parallel to BC? AD is 10 and BC is 18. AD is 10, BC is 18. And AB is equal to CD. They are equal. Draw the perpendiculars from this side to that side. Draw the perpendicular from this side to that side. So it will become a rectangle. It will become a rectangle. If it will become a rectangle, opposite sides should be equal. 10. After 10, guys, how much is remaining? 8 is remaining. After 10, how much is remaining? 8 is remaining. Guys, since it is, write it very, since it is isoscaline trapezium, isoscaline trapezo, yeah. Isoscaline, why? Because these non-parallel sides are equal. Isoscaline because non-parallel sides are equal. Since it is isoscaline trapezium. That is the reason only why. That is the reason only why we can divide this remaining 8 into 2 equal parts. That is the reason only why we can divide this remaining 8 into 2 equal parts. Only that is the reason we can divide it into 2 equal parts, 4 each. Now, they are asking the length of CD. Oh, really? Now, area is given. Area is given for our help. Area is half into sum of parallel sides, into distance, into perpendicular distance, which is given as 70. 140 is equal to sum of parallel sides. What is sum of parallel sides, bacha? 28. So the perpendicular distance 5 times. Perpendicular distance is 5. If this side is 4, this is 5, what is the hypotenuse? Don't say 3. Don't say 3. Because of a triplet of 3, 4, 5. Here, 5 is the longest side, na? But here 5 is the perpendicular. So don't say 3, 4, 5. So it's under root of 5 square plus 4 square. Under root of 41. Under root of 41. Okay. Clear? Clear? Still motivated to do some more questions? Chalo, let's do one or two more. Let's do one or two more. Is there everything are visible properly? Let me draw the diagram. This is the square ABED of side 6. Last. AF is 12, already given. This angle is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. For 30, we know the ratio they maintain is 1, root 3 and 2. 1 is 6, 2 is 12. So this root 3 is 6 root 3. Isn't it? For 45 guys, we know that perpendicular and base are equal. If this is 6, this is also 6 and this is 6 root 2 if required. I know it would not be required. I know it would not be required, but still. AF is everything you use now. So now in a figure, in a fair diagram, it's looking like a side of 6 plus 6 plus 6 root 3. 12 plus 6 root 3 is this side. And this side is 6 and the height is 6. Game over. Game over. Game over, guys. Game over. So area is half into sum of parallel